Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. We are at a driveway and walkway cleaning today, sidewalk and walkway going to the front of the house for one of our elderly neighbors here. Once in a while we try to do a little bit of charity work, so we're going to help her get this cleaned up and looking a little bit better for her. But let me walk around and show you what we got. We got a sidewalk, driveway is real bad. We got this little walkway, goes back for a golf cart access. This runs up to this side, and up along this end here. Sidewalk going up to the front. I mean, it's obviously it's been a while since it's been cleaned, so it's pretty black. Anyway, so that's our little project here for this morning, just trying to get back to the community. All right, so let's get moving. It's going to be another hot one today. It's already steamy out here.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm bad.
Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. Let me walk you around and show you what it looks like. Driveway looks awesome. Golf cart path. Yeah, very nice. Okay, and then the sidewalk all the way up to the front. So much better. All right, so this is Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. If you're a pressure washer and you're in the business, just always remember to reach back out to the community, and never hurts to do a good deed for somebody in need once in a while. So anyway, this is Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing, 813-853-3557. And have a great day. We'll see you at the next job.